Well, good morning, strange people, and welcome back to the channel. You know, as you can see, I'm already set up because the special guests I've allowed out onto the moors with me this weekend were a little bit late last night, and it was getting dark, and they wanted to drink beer, and that's something I don't want on my channel. But every now and again in your life, you get to meet your hero, and it's been no exception for these two gentlemen here this weekend. Yes, I will introduce you shortly to them. I have met one before and dragged him across the moor, and today's going to be no different except a little cooler. The other one I haven't met before, but as I say, I'll introduce him to you shortly. A little bit wet, a little bit damp, so we're a bit slow setting off this morning. But I'm sure we'll pack down soon and make a move. I'll catch you in a bit. Well, I've no idea what the others are thinking because I can barely hear them over the rain, but I think we might be stuck here for a while. I'm using my old summer gear top tent. Those boys have got their Hillebergs. I should have brought mine really, but I wanted a last outing in this one. Doing all right though for a really cheap tent. I'm dry in here, so I'm quite happy with that. Very happy with that. Right, I'll catch you if and when we make a start. So my hero worshipping subscribers that have come with me today, I've brought them into Nuns Cross, let them have a look at Nuns Cross. We've got Dan from Camp Life Bushcraft.
Hello.
And this strange man is Rob.
Wet Rob.
Wild Camper.
Hello.
I'll leave links to their channels below. I'm sure they won't leave links to mine.
No.
But yeah, this is the kitchen in Nuns Cross. For any of those that have ever walked past and wondered what it's like inside. There's the view out the door. The rest of the house, there's no electricity here, so the rest of the house is in darkness.
Hands make yourself at home, look. That's it, that's the one. Where's the kettle? Where's the kettle?
The gas burners are over there. Get the kettle on if you want.
Should we? Should we have a cup of tea? In a historic building.
If you want.
This is really cool.
So I just took the lads into Nuns Cross Farm so they can have a look around. Now we're going to head out on our walk.
Got any history for us, sir?
Nuns Cross, Seaward's Cross is the actual name. Seaward with an Anglo-Saxon. This has been here since I think around about the 12th century. My theory as to why it's called Nuns Cross. So this is the miner's track. Right. So it leads to a mine, tin mine that way.
Yeah.
And there's a tin mine just over there. There's a lot of tin streaming all around us as well. And in Cornish, Nuns Cross would be Nan's Crows. And as you can see, we're right above the valley. And Nans is Cornish for valley, Crows Cross, Nans Valley. So that's why I think it's called Nuns Cross.
It's a good theory. Nans Valley.
So yeah, but its actual name is Seaward's Cross.
Yeah. Oh, it's taking me up the road.
So we're now following the Devonport lead until it takes a dip down into the valley, and then we'll follow along the river. Though it's quite misty, it is quite beautiful out here. Right until you get to this point.
It's more beautiful now.
Young Rob bringing up the rear. So our plan is to walk along here, go across, and I don't know whether they're showing up on the camera, but we're walking along the top of that ridge then. Plan. We wrap up there.
You're walking.
Hello! I was just saying to the lads, this is an old tin streaming cutting. And the leat is built right across it, the aqueduct. The leat is a lot younger than the tin streaming. It's been going on here since the 12th century anyway. Probably a lot longer. I'd hoped the waterfall would be a bit better than this, but sadly it's not. Our journey will take us now down through the forest, which Danny's absolutely looking forward to. Being a tree man.
I like a tree, mate. Yeah, I can just build up from there actually, the core of it, might. Yeah, it might. Leading the band.
So we've just stopped and had a little lunch beside this pretty little bridge. We're going to make our way now out onto the moor once we've finished going through this forest.
Don't go out on the moors.
Don't go out on the moors, no. Right, catch you in a bit.
Take the bag on and off so many times.
Yeah.
It's the weather though, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's going through me, you see.
Dan's taking the lead, as you can see. I'm sticking with him because I've got no idea where he's taking us. But
I'm going the wrong way.
as he doesn't either, it is quite amusing.
How I live my life. Could be colder there.
Down tour, our next port of call. And once we're over that, we've got a long oak plain to cross with an interesting stone row on it. There's a wild camper over there. Go and check out his channel. He hasn't got very many subscribers, 5 times more than I have, but there ain't many. Oh, last little bit to go. Those two are hilarious. They must have asked me half a dozen times what the name of this tour is. It's Down Tour. It couldn't have got much easier. You're going up, down, tour. But anyway, nearly there. Last little bit. Route now takes us out that way.
Thanks, mate. You can hear my knees crack as I go down.
Nice one.
That's cool.
Big cave in there, is it?
Yeah, little one.
Big little
I'll
cave.
fit in there.
Well, we're just about to come up on my favourite Bronze Age monument on the moor. It's an absolute cracker of a stone row with a circle at the end, which was probably a kissed burial, which has sunk, but it is an absolute cracker.
You're an absolute cracker.
I know I'm crackers.
Stunning. That's what it is.
So there we go. So it's almost certainly a burial, kissed burial, which is worn away. Right at the end of this absolutely beautiful stone row. It's not a perfectly straight stone row, but it's brilliant. There is another cairn at the top and some sort of other monument. I couldn't tell you exactly what that is either, but this is just beautiful. If you want to watch some fancy footage, go over to Dan's channel. He's making some fancy, I don't know what he's doing.
Time lapse.
Is it a time lapse? Well, there you go, he's making a fancy time lapse of the stone. So this feature here intrigues me. I've got no idea what it is. It doesn't have a house in it. And it is absolutely perfectly circular. So Stone Row is just over there. And there's a cairn just over there. So it must have some sort of ritual significance. just really do not know. But it is fascinating. We're just walking through some old tin mining, open cast tin mining. Very big works. Just over here is the old tinner's hut that he would have lived in. Complete with fireplace still. Probably dates, I mean, I've got no absolute proof, but I should imagine it dates to the mid to late 1700s. If you look here, just make out the window lintel. Banks come down on top of it a little bit. Just say there's your fireplace. An old beech tree on top of it.
Beech leaves. There you go. Oh, yeah, beech trees. Never camp under a beech tree. Drop limbs.
They do drop limbs, yeah. So that's it, full circle. This morning we headed out over there. We've done a big wide circle, come back over from over there.
You sounded like, what's his name out of The Simpsons? And you went, you sounded like, what's his name?
This here chap Dan,
Sorry.
right, Camp Life Bushcraft.
He's a serious man.
He's a proper, well, I can't say the word. Anyway, he's currently getting us drunk on red wine and then malt whiskey and very chemically tasting
British Army Coca-Cola crystals.
British Army Coca-Cola crystals.
Salute.
Lovely, absolutely, yes, salute.
Yeah.
It's grim, isn't it?
I like that.
Yeah, but you're a weirdo.
You are.
Yeah.
Hello, strange people.
Yeah. Hello, strange people.
We're strange, you're weird.
I'll stop
I don't like
bothering
whiskey.
size video.
No, it's carry on. I'm not going to tell you what he's doing behind the camera, but it involves his flies. And I don't have a microscope. Right. So, my scran for tonight is coconut rice, which I'm going to have to boil in my kettle because I've given my pot to Rob, the weirdo.
I'm nearly done. If you want to wait.
And no, it's all right, mate. Mixed in with some tuna, because you cannot beat any tuna.
Oh, I like tuna.
Possibly some mustard. Nah, no mustard. So that'll be my scran for tonight. And you're boiling over.
Boiling over, Rob. Thank you. Just as I get the camera out. Cheers. dears.
Seriously, boys and girls, these are strange people.
Get my kettle back now if you want.
You do the whiskey.
Oh, I'm not very good at doling out whiskies. I always got a bit of a heavy hand.
Such a ponce.
No, just bit of a heavy pour. It ends up making it too strong. Put as much as you want. It's honey whiskey though, guys. It's not a single
Nice
shot.
one like and that saves enough for a hot chocolate, doesn't it?
Oh, there's plenty in there. They're big cups, so. All I want to do is do. I know exactly the film that's from. Give them Perrigo large. Correct?
Yeah. Nice.
Excuse me, Mrs. Patterson.
Well, that's us all done. We're all packed up nearly, apart from Dan's GoPro, which he will forget. It's been a good camp. The weather's not been brilliant, but it's been a pleasure to meet these two again. Well, Rob again and Dan for the first time. I know he'll come back to meet his hero again, I'm sure. Don't let that smile. He's a grumpy old bugger, really.
He really is.
That could be humorous, to be fair.
No, it's been a pleasure having them,
Mate,
having them
thank
here.
you for taking us along.
No, thank you for coming.
Yeah, it was good fun. Back on the favourite place. Thanks, Si. Appreciate it.
No, it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure. The pleasure's been all yours, but it's been a pleasure. Don't forget your GoPro.
Yeah.
Right. So if you have watched this long, I'm very surprised. Next camp you'll see me out with another YouTuber. I've literally got to get home, unpack this bag, pack it with another lot of kit, and make my way to North Cornwall.
Such a social butterfly.
Social butterfly, that's me, yes. So I'm going to be in God's own country next time you see me. Catch you on the next one. Well, that's us all done, all packed up, left no trace apart from Dan's GoPro, which he's going to forget. I'll start again.
See how many times we can make him do this there. Yeah.
Bristow, you cheeky sod.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Hello strange people, welcome back to the channel. You find me today out on the moors with these two weirdos, and yeah, if you want to go and subscribe to Camp Life Bushcraft, me, Si, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, that's enough from me. Have a good day, I'll see you later.
I saw a few
Nobber.
Easter eggs in my